might be pretty slow as well. We're about 35 minutes in and no good order just yet. People need to start waking up and eating. That's all I gotta say. Just as I finished that clip, got my first order. This is gonna be for Mr. Maple Donuts, 11.25, going just under 5 miles. I also got it as soon as I passed it, so I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be ready. They probably just got it too. Oh, and it's got 2 coffees. Okay. Really like your pants.
Oh, thank you. There you are.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Have a great day.
That almost hit me. Oh, apparently there's $2 peak pay at the moment. I don't know if it was active when I accepted this order, so we shall see in a second. Okay, yes it was. Cool. All right, we've got a Taco Bell order. I don't know if they're open, so this might not even be an order. But if it is, this is $7 and some change, going 3.5 miles. Drive-thru's closed. How is the lobby though? Give me my keys, my guy. Love that. Open daily, 8 a.m. You know what? Got this next order pretty much right away. This is a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $7 going 3.5 miles. Slightly worse. Well, I guess it is worse because I do have to do some shopping. But something. I feel like today's gonna be very, very dead. This, I think. Yep. All right. It says, meet at door. Please don't knock or ring doorbell. Just send picture of the food and text you left it at the front door. Okay, I'm leaving it at the door. Yeah, we are not going to be making any money today. I can already tell you that much. All right, finally, we got an order. This is going to be a shop and deliver for Safeway. $12 and some change, going 2.5 miles, 8 items. But there's multiple of the same one, so this could be a good one. Oh, never mind. This one is kind of better just because it's less shopping. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol, $10.50 going 3 miles, 2 items. Let's do that instead. Oh yeah, this guy wanted like a ton of dog food, and I'm not trying to do that, so yeah, let's get out of here. Of course it's upstairs. Always upstairs. And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. Going back to that store. Got another shop and deliver for alcohol. This one's gonna be $11.25, going 6 miles. Only 1 item this time. And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. Going back for the three-peat. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol. $12.75, going less than 5 miles. Only 1 item.
You are a busy bee today.
And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. Ooh, this one is not as great, but I think I'm gonna take it anyways just to keep it going. This is gonna be yet another shop and deliver for alcohol. $10.25, going 6.5 miles, 2 items.
I want to count every time you come in.
Hello? Okay, I don't know this area very well, so let me pull over and take a look at the map. Give me 1 second. You said next to a Burger King or facing one?
Yeah, I'm looking at the Burger King right now. There's a big Burger King sign right in front of me. There's a hotel in the same plaza.
So the closest Burger Kings that I see are one on Mill Plain.
Washington? Are you in Washington?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Typed in the wrong address. We're in Florida.
Oh.
Yeah, bro, we're in Florida.
Okay, I don't know how that happens. What the f just happened? They said Florida. Dude, I'm in Washington, my guy. They said they see the GPS, so they should know where I am. I am so confused.
Oh, and you are there in that customer location.
Yeah.
But the customer is not responding. Why the customer canceled the order? Oh, he's in a call right now with support. Why the order was canceled, by the way? So basically, they want to cancel the order because the address is wrong.
Yes.
$10 for 25 cents.
All right, sounds good. Okay, I got the next order as I was ending that call. This is going to be a shop and deliver for Rite Aid, 1875, going 7 miles, 6 items. Hopefully this one's a little smoother than the last, because what was that? Complete other side of the country. But okay, I got paid. I got drinks to dispose of, so I guess win-win. Low. All right, I might just call it here. Like I said earlier, today we are not making money. No point in sitting around waiting for no order to come in. So current time is 11:45. Total is 84. But I also have that canceled alcohol delivery, so I think it was an extra 10 bucks. So 94. But yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.